Building an outdoor kitchen is a pretty big investment both in time and in money, but an outdoor minibar like this is totally doable and pretty much all you need.
That's right, we wrapped this minibar in cedar to make it outdoor friendly.
That's right. Here's how you can make this project too. For the bottom frame, we'll need 4 2x4s cut at the following dimensions. 2 at 27 inches and 2 at 19 inches. And for the top frame, we'll need 2 more 2x4s at 40 inches and 3 cross braces at 19 inches.
Okay, now that our 2x4s are cut, we're going to assemble them, and you're basically building a box.
That's right, and we're going to use wood glue and 2.5-inch exterior wood screws because this is going to live outside. Start with a smaller bottom frame first and then assemble the top frame, which will also need a center support.
Next, we need to cut wood for the legs. Using a speed square, mark 1/2 inch on each leg. Then line them up with the bottom frame and attach using glue, then wood screws.
All right, now we're ready to attach the top frame to the legs, so we're going to flip this whole thing over onto the ground.
Okay, we're going to check for square and use the glue and screw to attach the top.
You want the legs and top frame to be flush with one another for a seamless look later.
Measure, mark, and cut your 1x6 cedar boards to plank the bottom, sides, and top.
We're giving our bar top an 1.5 inch overhang on the front and sides to give it a more traditional tabletop look.
Go ahead and secure the bottom and back planks first.
Then install the side planks. To finish up the assembly, install the top boards and then give the entire piece a light sanding with 220 grit paper to smooth out any rough spots. And remember, we intentionally left the gap in the back so the cord will slide right through. Now just add a few final touches like stainless steel bottle opener, a few hooks, and a towel bar to give this mini bar even more functionality. All right, she's done.
Looks good.
Good work, man.
Okay, time to stock it.
Stock the bar.